What's up everyone, it's James from Jeeping Adventure, and today we're going to hang out with Ben from JK Gear and Gadgets and get ready for 36 hours of Uwharrie. So, let's get started. Alright, so a couple things that I know we have to do is we have to get these 40s unmounted for some 37s. And then we're also going to be changing out his factory 55 link with my hook. Throw a different shackle on that side because that just looks ridiculous. We're also going to be getting these tube doors set up so we can run a Rugged Radios sticker on there. But you already got some of it started right there. Looks real good. We'll get the other 3 together and it'll be good. So let's get started. Alright, so we got my hook off and my shackles are over on his Jeep now. And now we got Ben over here drilling some holes for the half door. Yep. Just putting in work.
Custom made half doors, baby.
I love it. Ben has this diabolical box that we can set this 37 on while we're running around because we have to have a spare with us at all times. And then we can tie it down on each side with a strap. So hopefully that'll help us out. There's another part right here that kind of seals it up against the door, but we found that we need to take that off because getting that tire out, there's a good chance you're going to bend that tab. It kind of seals it up, but hopefully this will work because it's supposed to be raining, so we can keep some stuff under here all nice and dry. But we'll continue grinding. We got the front half door finished, which is nice. Got the Rugged Radios, little sticker on there. We're going to be doing this 36 hours together for them, which is awesome. And we got this front done as well. So we used one of my hooks to clean that up, and then we got the shackle as well. Put one of my shackles on there so it didn't look all janky. But yeah, it's coming along. Check out this cold air intake he did. Definitely check out JK Gear and Gadgets. If you're not already subscribed, make sure to subscribe. He's got a great page. Actually has a how-to do this cold air intake. It saves a ton of money. And, very impressed with it. He did a good job. He just needs some work on his wiring skills. For an electrician, this looks like a nightmare. Alright, so one of the things we have to have on our checklist for 36 hours is a fire extinguisher. Ben only has a 2.5 pound, but we have to have a 5 pound within driver's reach. So I'm going to be taking my fire extinguisher off and moving it over there. Oh, look at that. Good old Ben made an appearance out here. Let's do this. Figured this was a good time to get ready for 36 hours, you know? Work on picking some stuff up overhead. Yeah, getting that workout, you know? Gotta make sure I'm built. Got a week to get built. Alright, we took the 40s off, airing them down, taking the beadlocks off so we can put on the 37s over here. It's gonna be a little bit, there's a lot of air to come out, but it'll get done. Alright, we got one 37 almost mounted. Taking off another 40 over there. Got the rain right here. Got JK Gear over here. It's fucking hot out here. It's super humid. All that rain and the sun finally came out. This is a proper stance when mounting beadlocks. So make sure you actually stay in the stance or it won't be done properly. And what does that torque to? You don't give a fuck. When are we gonna have some beer?
Pull it up. You know what he was bringing out?
I want everyone to see this production line we got going here. He's torquing all these down. Got them ready to, god damn it, people throwing shit at me. About to put this 37 on. Looks like a tire shop over here. Tires everywhere. Still haven't even done the front. So, keep it on. Alright, got the rear 37s. 40s are airing down right now. We got that one. And then we got this side right here. Airing down as well. It's getting hot and humid, but we're getting it done. Got the hatch doors kind of mounted up. Team rugged. It's gonna be awesome. Alright, here's the final look. We're just airing out that last tire, the last spare. It's gonna go up here. And yeah, we're all good. It's gonna be a fun time. Got a set of tires back there we gotta put away, but other than that, we got a couple little things. We gotta do the inner fender still, gotta fix the skid plate, and put the front drive shaft in. So, still working, but we got the hard stuff done at least. Alright guys, that's it for today's video. Definitely make sure to subscribe because we're gonna have a 36-hour video here coming up. You're gonna wanna make sure to check that out. I know Ben he's gonna have one too. As much footage as we can get together, hopefully we can put out some good content, but we will see. So like always, give the video a thumbs up, and I already said it, but I'll say it again, make sure you subscribe, and have a good day.